Alright guys, there it is. If you want to know how to make this, stick around.
Welcome to Dirt Road Grill and Barbecue. Just good fire, good smoke, and food done true. I'm Tim Dirt Road Demon, if you know the name. With my brother Jason, we run this flame. We keep it simple, take it slow. Let the smoke and the flavor do the show. So grab you a seat, grab you a plate, kick back a while, y'all gonna eat great. Ain't nothing fancy, just the way we were raised. Cast down, open flame, and we smoke for days. You'll see us try and mess it up, then get it right. Learning as we go, just chasing that perfect bite. From slow smoke meats to a skillet on the stove. If it's worth cooking, we're giving it a go. Some of it's simple, some of it takes time, but good food's worth it every single time. So whether you're cooking or just along for the ride, there's always room for you right here by our side.
Hey guys, Texas Lace. We are making another family favorite tonight. We are making a dinner called Cowboy Pie. Super easy, one pot, one pan. Come get you some. Let's get this started. Okay, so starting off, I've got 2 pounds of hamburger meat. It's our Longhorn hamburger meat, same as you always use, super healthy. We're going to ground this up, and we're going to add in 1 packet of taco seasoning. Over here, I just have, we like fried taters with ours, so I just went ahead and got that started. So I'm going to add in 1 pack of taco seasoning. And we're going to get this cooked and ground up. And then after we get this grounded up, I will come back and show you what's next, and we're just going to add in our ingredients. So stay tuned. Okay, we got the hamburger meat all ground up. We're going to add in 1 15-ounce can of whole kernel corn. We're going to add 1 10-ounce can of diced tomatoes or green chilies. And then we're going to add in 1 whole can of the 10-ounce can, 26-ounce can, I'm sorry, of range style beans. I don't drain the juice on the range style beans. I do drain the juice on the whole corn in the rotel, which I've already done that. But that's drained, so you're just going to dump that straight in. And then, like I said, I don't drain the juice on the beans. And if you don't have range style beans where you live, pinto beans works, whatever bean you like. And just get all this in here. And then give this a good stir. Look how yummy. So get this all mixed up together. And then I'm going to get our pan out, and I'm going to take and I'm going to mix up 2 boxes of Jiffy cornbread mix. I'm just going to follow it to the box. I'm going to get this mixed up to be our topping. So stay tuned. I'll be back, and I'll show you how we're going to assemble. Okay, guys. I've got a greased 9x13 pan, and we are just going to scoop all this out into the pan and line the bottom. It's good, it's hearty. Like I said, we have an athlete son, so any way we can get all that extra added protein in, we're game. And this has got beans, it's got lots of hamburger meat. If you have any other suggestions on better ways to do it or how you would like to do it, let me know. I'm in for always trying new things. Alright, we got that done. Okay. We're going to add cheese. To the whole top. I'm just using Colby Jack cheese. This is what we had shredded up in the fridge. You can use pepper jack, mozzarella, whatever your favorite cheese is. Like I said, this is just the one that I already had shredded up. Alright, got everything covered up with cheese. Just a little bit more back here. Alright. We got the cheese on there. Like I said, I've got two boxes of Jiffy cornbread mix. I'm just going to pour that on top. Tonight, just to give it a little pizzazz, I did add a whole chopped jalapeno. So we're just going to pour this over the top. Just evenly everywhere. Just like that. And I do have the oven preheated to 400 degrees. And we're going to let this cook until the cornbread is done. Just like that. You can see all the jalapenos. Alright, so I'm going to pop this in the oven at 450 degrees, probably for about 30, 40 minutes probably. And then I will bring y'all back and show you the finished product. See you soon. Alright guys, here it is out of the oven. Golden brown, yummy. Cowboy pie. Alright, we're going to get this first bite. Oh, yummy. All that cheese. Alright. Alright, Memphis.
Way hot.
Turn this way.
It's hot and fresh out the oven. It's really good. It's hot. Oh, really, really good. You get a lot of flavor with the meat, sweetness from the cornbread, a little bit of spice from the jalapenos you put on in the cornbread, and beans, the corn, and all adds extra flavor. The corn makes it a little bit sweeter.
Alright, guys. There it is. See you next time.